Hi viewers, you are welcome. In this video, we want to solve this nice Alpha University entrance exam question. But yeah, this will be a very interesting question. So we have a function of f of x plus f of x minus 1 equals x squared. Given our f of 11 equals 50 and our f of 41 so is unknown, so which is what we are asked to look for. But looking at this, since let's say solution, since f of 41 is more than f of 11, so which is 50, so which shows the answer we'll get will be more than 50. I mean, the value of our f of 41 will be more than 50. So if this is more than this and this is 50, so then the value of this will definitely be more than 50. Now, let's solve the problem. Yeah, let's say our 41 equals x. And by substituting this into the function, so our given function is this. So we have f of 41, right, plus we have x minus 1 above, right? So we have 40 minus 1 equals x squared. So on our x is what? 41. So we have 41 squared. All right. So from here now, we're going to do something very interesting here. So I urge you to be more attentive. So yes, this will becomes f of 41 plus f of 40 minus, okay, sorry, f of x, our x is 41, so we have 41 minus 1, so that is 40. All right, so equals 41 square. So yes, we have to continue this. If you continue, we are going to have f of 40 plus, this one will be minus 1, right? So it will be f of 39. So if you subtract 1 here, we'll have 40 square. All right. So again, we have f of 39 plus f of 38. This will be 39 square. All right. So we still move again. So we have f of 38 plus f of 37 equals 38 square. So again, we have f of 37 plus f of 36 equals 37 square. So yeah, let's move a bit forward again. So we have f of 36 plus f of 35, that is equals to 36 square. So for this, we have to continue till we have f of 13 plus f of 12, right? So equals 13 square. Remember, we are going to stop at the place where we have f of 11. So we are not there yet. So we have f of 12 plus f of 11, yeah, equals 12 square. So we have f of 11 here. So that means that we can actually stop here. All right. So yes, what we are going to do now is we have f of 41 here. So that's the major thing we need there is f of 41 and f of 11. We have f of 41 here. So then we have f of 11 here. All right. So now have to subtract. We have to do basic subtraction now. So where we subtract this. So this is how we're going to do. So we have minus for this. All right. So then minus for this. Then minus for this. All right. So then also we have minus for this. All right. So now let's do something here. So I told you earlier that this should be interesting. So we start from here. So we start from here. Remember, if you have, we are going to subtract these two. So, but here, if you have plus f of 40 here, then we have minus, if you use this minus expand this, we have this, we cancel, right? Do you understand that? So also we will have minus 39 here, then we have plus 39 here. This will also cancel this. All right. So also we have f of 38 here, so then minus f of 38 here, so this will also cancel. So also 37 here, minus 37 here, we cancel 37 here. So here also we have minus f of x plus for f of x. But here also you are going to do the same. So like this and this now. So we have 41 square minus 40 square, right? So which is difference of 2 square. So what it means is that we have 41 plus 40 times 41 minus 40. So this plus this will have 90, right? No. So we have 41 plus 40, we have 81. Then 41 minus 40, we have 1. So this, the entire of this is 81. All right. So also here, this and this, so we have 39 square minus 38 square. So which means 39 plus 38 multiplied by 39 minus 38. The entire of this will be 37. All right. So and the other one we will have here is this and this. So we have 37 square minus 36 square. So this will be 73. So the last one here we are going to have is 13 square minus 12 square. So which means 13 plus 12, then 13 minus 12. So this we are going to have 25 times 1. The entire of this is what? Is 25. So yes, so we're finally done with that one. So but recall that our f of 41, all right, that is the one that is left. We have f of 41. So all these, every other one, they are cancelled. So get, so because this will cancel these two, so then this will cancel its preceding function, so we left with, remember this is minus times plus will be minus f of 11 equals, so now if you add all this, so the first one we have 81 plus 77, all right, plus 77 plus 73 plus 25. So now, sorry, so this continues. This continues. So let's add this by applying the sum of series. So applying the sum of series for this means we have our common difference, this minus this or this minus this. We are going to have 4. So and a, so will be 5, and our last term will be 81. So to know the number of terms, so by applying last term equals a plus n minus 1 from our series. So we have our last term is 81, our first term is 25, plus our n. We want to find the number of terms, so on our d, common difference is 4. So now here we have 81, all right, equals 25 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 4. We can transfer this 25 to the other side. So we have 81 minus 25 equals n minus 1 times 4. So then 81 minus 25 will give us 26, right, equals n minus 1 times 4. If you divide both sides by 4, let's say this divided by 4 and this divided by 4. This will cancel out this. So 56 divided by 4 will give us 14. And that is equals n minus 1. If you transfer 1 to the other side, we are going to have our n to be 14 plus 1, and which means that our n equals 15. So this is the number of our term. Now we can find the sum of the series. Sum of the series we have here. So that's what we want to find out. So and to find out, you have sum of series equals n divided by 2, open bracket, a plus l. Then here we have Sn equals 15 divided by 2, open bracket, 25. Our first time is 25 plus last time is 1. Or if you simplify this, we are going to have our Sn to be 995. But we are not interested in finding the last term of the sum of the term. We are interested in finding f of 41. And to do that, we recall that our f of 41 minus f of 11 equals 795. So which means that we've gotten our f of 11 and the sum of the series, right? Oh, sorry. So this is 7. So now we have our f of 41 to be equals 795 plus f of 11. All right. So then we'll have f of 41 to be equals 795 plus, remember our f of 11 is 50. So if we add everything together, we have our f of 41 to be equals 845. So simple. Guys, if you make this far, don't forget to comment and like. Also share. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.